Extend your Christmas footage with the AI Extend feature, create a snowfall in the room, or add a Christmas tree, or bring Santa Claus with gifts. All possible with the AI Extend feature in Filmora 15. Want to learn? Keep watching. Before we begin, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button, so you never miss any of my upcoming videos on Filmora 15. Also, you can check out the AI image-to-video feature with some cool Christmas templates for your shorts. You can even check out the newly added Christmas effects, transitions, and stickers. Add them to your video and make your video pop. Let's see how to use AI Extend to add elements to your video. First, import your Christmas footage to the media bin, then place the footage onto the timeline. Then from the timeline toolbar select AI Extend option. Then extend the footage you can extend backwards and forward. Extend the footage, and an AI Extend box will appear. Now write the scene that you want to create, like place the Christmas tree and make Santa Claus appear, and give gifts to the kids. Create a snowfall when Santa Claus appears. Once you're done with the prompt, simply click on Generate, and within a few minutes, AI will extend the scene. Let's see the preview. Now, if you want to extend your scene further, again select the AI Extend. Drag and extend the AI-generated footage, and then write down the prompt. Kids are happy with giving and saying bye to Santa Claus, and Santa Claus moves out of the scene. And click on Generate and wait for a few minutes to get a more extended scene. That easy to extend any footage with the AI Extend feature. Here are some AI extended footage. Download Filmora from the link in the description and extend your footage easily. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.